Now this is the box the casters come in. So right on the side. Cut open the tape. Both sides of the caster look very similar, but they're actually mirror images of each other. We need a few tools to assemble the premium casters onto the legs of the MARK. We need the number 3 Phillips screwdriver, that's large tip. We need the 7/16 wrench. Plus we need, I like to use curved nose needle nose, straight nose will work. Need a little bit of lubricating oil and a mallet. A rawhide mallet or one of these dead blow mallets will work just fine. The caster bracket goes on, like I explained earlier, with the foot pedal towards the front of the machine, and we're going to use the pair of holes that are furthest away from the foot. We'll line those up with the 2 holes in the caster bracket and install a couple of screws there. The caster bracket aligns with the pair of holes that are furthest away from the leg. Screw goes in. I've also got the bracket here installed on the opposite side. The edge of the leg goes in the groove of the caster bracket right here. And when the hardware is tightened up, that'll be pulled together nicely. That keeps the caster bracket from shifting and sliding. Now, when I tighten this screw up, you'll be able to see this all pull together like I explained. Once you've got the front assembly done, the rear assembly is just a repeat of the same procedure.
Good.
Drive the screws through the holes, put the nuts on the back side, and tighten. The next step is installing the caster wheels. So I like to take the needle nose pliers and give it a squeeze all the way around. That closes up this brass ring just enough to make it easier to go inside the plunger. Also, I give it a drip of oil around that brass ring to help with it sliding in. And even with all of that, it takes persuading. All the way down till it touches the plunger. Now that I've installed everything on this side of the machine, it's just repeat on the other side of the machine. Just slide everything down and do it all again. Now that all this work is done, with the machine turned upside down, it's time to roll it over. I need a helper. Come on in, help me roll this over. You'll need the helper as well. So gently roll it over. Don't drop the machine. Set it down. Now, if your caster wheels land on the floor, which they probably will, you want to rotate them so that they're off the floor and the machine won't scoot. Then you and your helper grab the table and pick up and roll it right side up, just like that. Now the casters work beautifully, each end, and then we'll just spin the machine around, easy as pie.
Easy. Done.
And then place it where I need it. Drop the machine to the floor.